Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage forms. In that, liquid meant for internal administration, elixir. Elixirs are the clear, sweetened, aromatic hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. The main ingredients of elixirs are ethyl alcohol, which is 5 to 40%, water, coloring agent, and some suitable preservative. Recommended containers for elixir are well-closed, airtight glass bottles having screw caps. In next session, we will discuss about the experiment. So now let's discuss about the experiment number 18. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit chloral hydrate elixir 10 ml. In this we will study the formulation of elixir, uses of adjuncts used in the formulation of elixir. Elixir is of two types, medicated and non-medicated. Learning objectives of our today's experiment are: students will be able to understand the purpose of preparing elixir and ability to prepare and label elixir correctly. Apparatus required are glass rod, beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01. Prescription is given over here. This is the formulation table. So in that type, that is name or category or role of ingredient. Translation means name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system for preparing 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for preparing 30 ml, quantity taken in metric system for 10 ml. As the prescription is directly given in the metric system, so this quantity given in the imperial system will be blank. First of all, chloral hydrate used as a hypnotic and sedative. Quantity given in the metric system, that is 40 gram. Multiply it with factor 0.01, we will get quantity taken for 10 ml 0.4 gram. Purified water used as a vehicle, quantity given 20 ml. So quantity taken is 0.2 ml, as multiply this 20 ml with 0.01. Black currant syrup used as a flavoring and sweetening agent. Quantity given for 30 ml is 200 ml. Multiply it with factor 0.01, we will get 2 ml. Next, syrup used as a vehicle and the sweetening agent. Quantity given to prepare up to 1000 ml. So quantity taken for preparing 10 ml up to 10 ml. Direction for this is 5 ml 1 spoonful to be given at night. Now we will proceed for performing actual experiment in laboratory. So now move for performing actual procedure in laboratory. So we have this chloral hydrate which is previously weighed. This is black currant syrup which is taken into this beaker, and sucrose from which we already prepared this syrup, and in this beaker we taken the purified water. So first step we are going to add this chloral hydrate into this purified water and proceed for stirring. Now after dissolving this chloral hydrate into purified water, we are going to add our black currant syrup into it and going to mix it properly with the help of stirrer. Now we are going to add the little bit amount of syrup into it, and after that we are going to transfer it into the measuring cylinder and also going to rinse this beaker with the help of syrup and then proceed for actual volume makeup. With the help of syrup we are going to adjust the volume of our today's formulation. So after making the volume up to 10 ml, we will transfer it into this amber colored bottle and then proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move for labeling part. As we fill our formulation into this amber colored bottle and prepare this label. So let's see, chloral hydrate elixir 10 ml for ABC. Name of patient is written here, register number that